How to fix YouTube TV doesn't work on my smart TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube not working on your smart or Android TV. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to fix YouTube TV not working on your smart TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the settings of your TV and go to time settings. Step 2. Check if the date is updated. If not, there are two methods to update it: auto attach and manual update. Step 3. First, try the auto attach option. If it doesn't update, proceed with the manual update. Step 4. Manually update the year, then the month, and finally the day. Step 5. Once the date and time are updated, go back and check the YouTube app. So that's how you can fix YouTube TV not working on your smart TV. That's all for this video.